Companies must work more efficiently. They must be ready to work smarter. Most importantly, they must be ready to innovate. It's no longer about mass production. Today, it's all about customization. And to embrace the fourth industrial revolution, what we need to do is understand it. Before we can accept it, we need to understand what its impact to us, to our world, to our processes, to our company, to our organizations are.
Eu encontro, sinceramente, estou muito satisfeito de ver que hemos recuperado o interesse global por la política industrial, por el desenvolvimento industrial. Por isso, precisamente, é tão importante ter iniciativas como a Global Manufacturing Industrialisation Summit, para poder falar juntos, com cada dos parceiros, no sector privado, na academia, na sociedade civil, nos governos, de como podemos aprofundar e fortalecer a produção de bens públicos globais.
Para o Brasil, a indústria 4.0 é, acima de tudo, uma gigantesca oportunidade, ainda que apresente desafios para o setor público e para o setor privado. Com ela, a indústria brasileira tem a chance de dar um salto de produtividade que nos permitirá reduzir o gap da produtividade com os países desenvolvidos.
Brazil, of course, is an economy in transition, so our focus again is in industry and mainly on the energy sectors. The problem in many situations is the quality of energy. So a lot of industry, they have energy, but they don't have enough energy, or they don't have enough quality energy. And in this context, I believe that the Industry 4.0 can be a very interesting topic. This technology can help to better use the energy when it's available and when it is cheaper.
I would say we are in the beginning. We have actually a very complex industrial base in Brazil, very diverse. We need to foster the adoption of technologies, and we need to identify what are the opportunities to stimulate the development of technologies in Brazil. It's a joint effort in order to promote the development. We need the government, we need the companies, we need the academy. The idea of this kind of event is bringing everybody together, and we believe this can bring a contribution to the whole GMIS initiative.
GMIS 2019 will be hosted next year in July in the city of Ekaterinburg in Russia. Registrations are online on our website, gmisummit.com. Everybody can register. Invitations will follow.